Hey everybody, I am sick right now, so my voice might be off, but that's not what's important. What is important is that Balanced Craftwars updated. I'm pretty surprised. I didn't think there would be any updates until the boss rush update. And I also thought I wouldn't make another video on this game, but here I am. I think you gotta go to the beneath first. So I'll go there. Alright. Here, I need a light source, actually. Alright, next it says, hug the right wall until you find a rusty door. What's right? Hold on. Left, right, okay, yep, got this. Something tells me I might have, gone the wrong way. I walked past it the whole time. Oh. Here are the double doors. What now? 7J3, well. Where's this? I haven't done the previous April Fool's events. I don't know what this is. Oh my goodness. Now it's, I have to farm for the Giggle Cat. Alright, should be easy enough. Oh, there's the blue orb I'm supposed to do something with. I should check the other side. Oh, there is another orb back here, okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, you're supposed to break the wall. This looks so different from the rest of the wall. I guess the only way to a portal then. I am quite worried. Here's your trouser, Grandma. Speak. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Okay. Oh. No. I wasn't ready for this. I did not come prepared.
Taiwan is different from China.
I didn't mean to say that.
I think I know what I gotta do here.
Agreed.
Oh, shucks. I see to it that drowsy grandma's dialogue Hints
Hey, Exo, you're
towards
about to die.
next appearance.
Oh my god.
Oh. Okay, good thing they made it invisible, so you have no idea when it ends, and you just fall to your death.
Yeah.
Mm.
Green effects.
Sorry, what we're doing?
No.
Oh, we're still waiting on people like you to finish the puzzle.
I already finished it.
Boom, boom. I'm
You got
almost.
the lawn fighter title.
Okay, yep.
Another one.
Yeah.
But be careful. This jump, it's not a little platform.
Oh,
okay.
look who I found. Look who I found.
You found the grandma.
I hate creepy.
17 shot, no, 38.
Dude, I'm so fire, yo.
I got a clock. She walked past like crazy.
Me too, I wish there was some way to stop the developer, but sadly there is not. He will destroy my lawn soon.
I see something up here, but
I didn't like that for you.
no.
This crazy ass fight for a
Charles
lame ass weapon,
Grandma.
bro.
Lame ass what?
Weapon.
Oh, it's lame? Whose fault is that?
I don't know.
I wonder who, Madge.
You mean like the moveset is lame? Cause
Oh.
I could like disagree.
Okay, I got
I think
this
the moveset
now.
is pretty lame.
Hang on, Nico. Stop killing him real quick. Okay, hit him again.
1 sec. I have to. No.
It's okay. Take your time.
Okay. Did I even land? Okay, there.
Okay, thanks. Okay, Somnus X does a 7,777.
I feel like I can do more. I don't know. He's dead. We did say it.
And see, they play nice music after he dies, which is in a reference to King Cyrus.
Wow. That was such a great final event.
Yeah.
There you are,
Hey.
There's a shower here.
Oh, babe.
Ah, shower. What's your
Mason-
top
Mason,
three
do you
favorite
have
videos
this
sounds?
sword?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, it's the ticker from Ready to Die!
Burn break, Fuzzy. They're important.
I'm ready.
Alright.
Sorry, they were annoying me.
It's okay, man.
My precious. I hate that thing.
Thank you. Dev, make his mind go away. What? Why does he?
All work and no planning.
We should
Okay,
make
let's
him
go,
feel
guys.
insane by all speaking in emojis.
Okay, so let me do that. The man firefighter emoji does not work in Roblox. I don't know, yes it does.
The new chat supports emojis, you know.
Colon. Colon.
The
Discord.
Gooner's back, bro. I'm Oh, he's a Library of Ruina cosplayer.
Oh.
Can we kill him?
He doesn't,
Didn't
he
even
doesn't know
think
the riddle,
about it.
so execute him.
Who across the bridge of death must answer me these questions 3.
What is your favorite color? Second riddle. What was it in the video, Pussy? Here's something about like standard mode Okeana. I don't know that.
Okay, Majestic, they're all yours. There are too many attackers.
These people are next.
No!
Exile.
You're such a
So this right here is the reward for defeating the meta developer the second time. It's the twin equilibrium pistols, and they're pretty much the gun of equilibrium rework. The models for these weapons is really good, and I think this is also like one of the first weapons to have a running animation. It doesn't look that good right now because I have the default walking speed, but it looks much better when you have fast speed with armor equipped. The M1 fires 2 bullets, or laser, whatever you want to call them, orbs from the weapon, and well, the damage is pretty underwhelming right now. The whole weapon itself is really weak, but there is a buff in the works, so expect it to be like Equinox tier sometime soon. The Z ability makes you stand still and fire a laser that does damage to you over time and gives you anti-parry, and you cannot jump while using it. The beam also does get stronger the longer you fire, but keep in mind your health. I do think that the beam automatically stops firing if you're like about to, yeah. It stops before you die, but still be careful when using it. The X ability is like a combat roll. It gives you iframes, and it also heals 15% of your max health, I think. It also has a fairly short cooldown, so it's like a really good healing ability, actually. It's like a Ring of Light, but I don't know if you could say it's better or not, but it is useful. And the C ability has no visual indicator or anything, but it changes your M1s to be a bayonet slash using these knives that are on the guns. The cooldown is pretty high for these weapons, so I don't see this being a super useful weapon. And the damage, just like the bullet M1s, is pretty underwhelming, but it is getting buffed. The blade mode scales off melee damage, the gun mode of course scales off range, and I think the beam scales off of magic damage. Yeah, I almost forgot to mention, but if you have the Lawn Fighter title from beating the meta developer for the first time, they have made it an equipable item that's just a lawnmower model, but if you click with it, then it'll send you to the Knoll Castle, or like the lawn area, so that's pretty convenient if you don't want to go to the Beneath every time. Now, would I recommend getting these weapons? Yeah, I would. They're pretty cool. And they're getting buffed, so there's not really a reason for you to not get them. I don't think that they'll ever be coming back after the event ends, so this is really your only chance to get them. And I mean, this beam move seems like it could be like really powerful when it gets buffed. I just hit like at least 15 angels with that one beam, and it wasn't even a direct hit. The AoE is just that good. Oh yeah, they also have a reskin, an ancient reskin. I don't have it, but if you had the old Gun of Equilibrium before they got reworked into this, you should have that skin, I think. It is just a reskin. It doesn't give you any buffs or anything, but it's cool to have. It also makes your attacks have a drowsy grandma VFX. I think this is a good event. I did like it. And it's a really good send-off for this game that probably only get updated one last time, and that might be my last video on it. Who knows? I was surprised by this update, so anything can happen really. But yeah, that's just about all I have to say about this update. See you next time. Is his eye in his crown? What? Oh, of course I would want to hang out with you, Voltmaster. Illuminating his Benedictus. I wonder what Benedictus would be like if it was like balanced Craftwars dating simulator. This really sparks sort of wonder in my head. Oh. Haven't done that yet. What the? What the? What? Oh, no, what? I did. Ah!